Give various laws of radioactive disintegration. Question is up to this only. Laws of radioactive disintegration. Radioactive. Laws of radioactivity also. This is termed as laws of radioactivity. Sequence. Point number 1. Radioactivity is a spontaneous process which doesn't depend upon external factors like temperature. Radioactivity is spontaneous process. Does not depend on, yes, depend on temperature, pressure. Competition question. Temperature is increased from 300 to 400 Kelvin. The radioactivity will increase, decrease, remain same. Answer is remain same. 2. During disintegration of atom, either alpha particle or beta particle is emitted. Both of these are never emitted simultaneously. That means what? Either alpha particle or beta particle is emitted at one point of time. From a nuclei, you can have alpha, after some time beta, again alpha or beta. Alternate arrangement is possible, but simultaneously both are coming out is not possible. 3. Emission of alpha particles results new atom, new nuclei. Atomic number is reduced by 2 and mass number is reduced by 4. Example is NeXZA is a daughter nuclei. Alpha particle is what? Helium nucleus. Yes, number of protons will decrease by 2. Number of nucleons will decrease by 4. Example. Yes, uranium 238 emits 1 alpha particle. Yes, 92 minus 2, 90. 238 minus 4, 234. What you get is 40. 4th, emission of a beta particle results in a new nuclei and the atomic number is raised by 1. Example, general equation, reaction, 1 beta particle. Yes, Z on this side, Z plus 1. So that sum of Z plus 1 and minus 1 is Z. It is A, this is 0, so it is A as it is. So the daughter nuclei is Y. Number of protons will increase by 1. Number of nucleons will remain same. How? Because a neutron breaks into a proton. The number of nucleons will remain same, but number of protons will increase by 1. Example, yes. Example is thorium, same in continuation, 90 to 34 gives 1 beta particle. And this number will increase by 1, 91. Nucleons will remain same. Yes, pehli last point, point number 5. The number of atoms disintegrated per second at any instant is directly proportional to the number of radioactive. Yes, this law is what? 5th. Yes, death rate is proportional to population. Number of nuclei getting disintegrated per second is proportional to number, that is number of nuclei at that point. Decay, number of nuclei decaying per unit time is proportional to number of nuclei present at that time. Simple. Death rate is proportional to population. Village, population is less. Number of persons dying per day is also less. Town, population is more. Number of persons dying per day is also more. So death rate is proportional to population is applicable to nuclear decay also. And what was the formula? Next formula written? Yes. dN by dt is equal to lambda n. This is positive, this part is negative. That is why negative sign. What was the graph? Yes. What was the graph? N as a function of time. Original number n naught. How this number decays? Exponentially. Nuclei, original 100, after one half life 50%, after two half life 1/4, after three half lives 1/8. Time with you is 5 minutes to write. Yes, inside a nuclei, why an alpha decay takes place? What was the theory for alpha decay? Yes, what was the theory for alpha decay? That a group 4 will stay as a separate entity and they will keep on trying. What is the reason for beta decay? When the neutron proton ratio is different, a neutron changes to a proton, so the requirement is different. The moment it is fulfilled, some energy is released. After that, if the neutron proton ratio is not suitable for stability, then the number of neutrons will change. These two are different processes and they need different stability conditions. That is why there may be some time gap, fraction of a second. Yes, theory, his question is, this electron is coming out of the nucleus, but there is no electron inside the nucleus, correct? But still an electron comes out of the nucleus. How? A neutron changes to, yes, a neutron changes to a proton and electron. This electron immediately comes out of the nucleus. And this electron coming out of the nucleus is termed as beta particle. 3 minutes with you to write.